So, Amish, you chose as your first book, the main protagonist, you chose as Lord Shiva. You know, and they always teach us, you know, especially that be politically correct, don't talk about religion, don't touch politics, and so on and so forth. And you went and you dived into it. So, like, you know, when you do something new, you also evaluate risks. I'm sure it may have crossed your mind that I am taking on something which is personal, you know, it's not just religious, it's personal to the people of India and Hindus, and I don't know how to classify that. So, did you at any time feel that it would not be accepted in the light that you wanted it to be?
No, not at all, man. And I mean it genuinely. If you want to write a story like this, there's no better country than India to do it in. Seriously, most Indians are intuitively liberal, and by liberal I don't mean being leftist. By liberal I mean the ability to respect a different point of view. Right? Almost comes intuitively.
But
right?
how did you know that? I mean,
I've grown up in a deeply religious family, right? So among the things you discover, it's like, I mean, in Maharashtra, for example, it's believed that Lord Hanuman's day is Saturday. That's when you go to the temple, right? We are living in Maharashtra right now. But in the north, in UP, Bihar, Delhi, for example, the day for Lord Shiva is Tuesday. Now, what's the correct day? Boss, depending on your astha, yeah? Depending on your belief. In North India, Lord Kartik is a bachelor. In South India, he's married. He has two wives, right? Palliji and Senaji. So much so that women don't enter Lord Kartik temples in the north because he's the god of war and he's a bachelor god. In the south, women enter peacefully, right? And I grew up with this. Most Indians who grow up in the real India, in the traditional India, kind of understand this intuitively. My own mother, very religious woman, in the north she doesn't enter Lord Kartik temples, in the south she does, right? What is this if not liberalism?
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Because liberalism is essentially the ability to accept a different truth, as long as you present it respectfully, right? My books were different, I'm not denying that, but I don't think anyone, even those who don't like my books, will accuse me of being disrespectful to to the gods and goddesses when I wrote it, because I've actually written it as a proud Indian and a proud Hindu. So and the proof of the pudding is in the eating, yeah, that there's been no controversy. I've been around for 10 years now, 9 books, 5.5 million copies, no controversy. Have you heard anything?
Never.
Yeah. No controversies have happened, and I'm genuinely not surprised, because actually if you write it with respect, India is actually a very open country. Often what happens is, if you yourself create controversy, and you're in the creative space, you know what happens, right? Artists do it for the sake of publicity. It's the easiest way to sell something. Controversy khada karo, hamari media to, you know what it's like, and then your book or movie or whatever will start selling. But if you yourself avoid that strategy, and if you decide that, no, I will sell the right way, I will not generate controversy, normally it doesn't happen. Yeah? I'll tell you, from my first book, I had actually self-published my first book, right? It was rejected by every publisher. Because I was self-publishing it, I went to, I was investing my own money, from my salary, whatever. So I had met various PR agencies, and one of the PR agents had actually, I'm talking about 2010, right? Had actually told me ki, boss, dekho, you've written a book, on God, on a religious theme. All we need to do is, generate some controversy. We'll get some, I kid you not, he was actually telling me this face to face, that we'll get a few copies of your book, we'll get 10-15 people, and I was looking shocked. So I guess he misread my expression, because then he said, no, don't worry, 10-15 people is more than enough. It's about the angle of the camera. You have a low angle, it looks like a lot, right? And we'll burn copies of your book. And boss, kitab nikal padegi. I said, boss, I mean, I was clear that is not the way I'm going to sell. Either it will sell the right way or it will not sell. And no controversies happen.